Go. No.
I don't think he likes this game.
No, I don't think he does. Do you want to play Angry Birds?
Oh, that's another one. I'll put that on YouTube too.
Go, go, go. Butt. No, your butt is not doing.
He's not doing well.
He's not hitting any this time. You're not beating your score, little man.
Alright.
Ah, 1.
He just peed on your phone.
Oh, don't pee. You got 5 from just sitting there. 6. He's on 6.
Paper time. The Morning Glory.
7. Yeah, please don't pee on it. That would be such a bad thing.
I need to eat it.
It's kind of cheating. Go, 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 go. Oh, he pooped over there. How nice. Yes, that is your poop. Gross.
Ew.
I'm kind of thinking about it, like, if you're trying to...
I don't know. I don't know if they ease or not. Go. Dang. You've only got 2 more to beat your score, or tie your score anyway. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh no, you can't beat your score in that amount of time. Oh, oh my god! He got a combo! It's pretty boss. He got a 3-fruit combo. 18. Mangoes belong to the same family